Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll show you how to use Steam Remote Play together with any game. First, open your Steam app and log in with your username and password. Once logged in, click on the Steam menu at the top left and select Settings. Next, click on Remote Play from the Settings menu. Here, make sure Allow Direct Connection is set to Automatic for the best performance. Scroll down and turn on Advanced Host Options. Then enable Hardware Encoding for smoother video quality, and also check Prioritize Network Traffic to help reduce lag. Now let's adjust the client side. Under Advanced Client Options, set the video to fast, choose Unlimited for bandwidth if your internet allows, and set resolution to automatic. Finally, enable hardware decoding for a better streaming experience. Once everything is set, invite your friends, launch your favorite game, and start playing together seamlessly through Remote Play. And that's it. With these simple steps, you can enjoy Steam Remote Play together and game with your friends from anywhere. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.